All right, so I just pulled up to Mary's swap meet in Oklahoma City, Midwest City, and it's December 14th. There's not a lot of vendors out here. It's about 52 degrees out. You know what I'm looking for out here are people that flip storage units, buy out auction lots, people that just come out here for the weekend, like so they're just going to be out here for one trip, one and done. There's a handful of dealers that are out here that their tools that I'm looking for are grossly overpriced. They're looking for market value for it, and there's not much meat on the bone. So we're going to take a walk around, see if we can find anything. It'll probably be about a 15-20 minute run through here, and I'll be out. Now this swap meet has everything from live animals to new in stock, knockoff stuff. And this guy's here every week, and he'll make some deals with you. So let's take a look. Things like these protos, good wrench to look for. Find that when you dig down to the bottom, there's a lot of treasures that you might not see. Most people will pass that up. Something like this is 10 millimeter. Sometimes I just collect those, sell them off in batches. Pittsburgh is Harbor Freight, Hart is Walmart. For old school USA branded stuff. These flare nut wrenches are a good thing to keep your eye out for if you're looking for tools. Bell check. Things like these you'd be surprised about. Ignition wrenches, these can go cheap at a sale. You can find full sets of them. When I'm looking for sockets, I'm looking for a couple specific name brands, and if I start seeing them, I'll keep digging. And if I don't see those brands, but I see other ones, I'll go ahead and pass. Here, Pittsburgh is one that shines out right away. These are impact sockets. These guys are probably wanting $2, $3, $4 a piece for these. So, a couple Craftsman. Klein, that's a good tool. Are you with? Proto, another good brand. That's a 6-point. There's a snap-on. That's a good key to have. Craftsman VV 3/8 drive set. They've got pulled to the side. Too much, I imagine. Can I open this? go through a lot of the bags and boxes and such, it's worth digging down into the bottom. In this case, a lot of them haven't even been opened up to be presented to anybody, so it's no telling what you're going to find in this. I find a lot of the gems down at the very bottom. How are you? Doing good.
See, you want to make you a deal.
All right.
I got a good deals right now. I'll give them to you cheap.
Well, I'm looking for tools.
I'll give you the whole box, everything in it. Give me 5.
Probably. I'm gonna pass on his old Craftsman.
This right here, it goes with that little block. Don't ask me what it is.
What is it?
It's some kind of sink for cement, sander for cement.
Sure.
It goes with that block.
Uh-huh.
I'll throw it in.
I'm gonna pass on it. Looks like a bunch of stuff I'd have to carry around for a while.
Them's old tools down there.
Uh-huh.
Give me 5 for all the old tools.
Yep, still not the ones I'm looking for.
Oh, really?
Well, I appreciate it. I'll see you out here again. You're out here pretty regularly.
Okay. Well, it'll take you to get that. I'll throw all them other tools in with it.
I just absolutely
I'm
don't need
I'm trying to get me $100.
Uh-huh.
I'm at $89.
Right. What'd you pack up already?
Huh?
What'd you pack up already? What's in the van?
Right. Well, I got packed up. That is nothing but junk.
Uh-huh.
That
I like junk.
that's personal junk.
Uh-huh.
Like paperwork and all that. Now I got this.
Sure, jack stand?
That's all I got.
Let's bring the whole truck. You've got knockoff Pokemon cards in here. for $1. Thank you. And I'm willing to give 33 cents a piece for these. So these look like Craftsman drivers. But they are not. That one is though. So that's wrap, folks. I got 16 tools for $10. Spent about, I don't know, 25 minutes out here. One of the things about this is consistency, making relationships, knowing who the regular vendors are, who the weekend warriors are, what time of day is the best to get here when everything's here and everything's full price. Everybody wants the highest price. Later, when everybody's getting ready to pack up and they're just willing to cut a deal. There's a couple different strategies for that. So that was just a little quick run through of a swap meet. Thing about this is you want to be consistent when you source. A little 20-30 minute venture into your favorite stores, thrift stores, swap meets, whatever it is. Just be sure that you do it regularly. Work on building relationships with some of the vendors that are in there. Tell them what you're looking for. A lot of times these guys will even have it pulled to the side waiting for you if you show up early and you're consistent. So be sure to like, leave a comment, let me know what you think about the video, subscribe, and share my stuff. Appreciate it, guys.